So you don't have an active lease here, correct?
No, I want you guys to arrest me because you're going to look really bad. You need to show how stupid you guys are.
You're not in handcuffs, if that's your opinion. Cool.
Yeah, well, I think you're pretty stupid. I'm an MD, PhD. I'm a doctor.
Okay, that's fine. I didn't ask for your educational background, okay?
It doesn't matter.
Okay, they want him gone, but he's saying he's lived here for 2 years. This is a motel, correct?
Yeah, it's a motel. It doesn't matter. He has to have a leasing agreement.
No, I don't.
Because it's a month-to-month thing. If he
It's
pays
not.
by the month, if he pays by the week, he pays by the day.
Okay, throw me out. Take me to gun club. I'm okay.
So right now, you don't have a lease here. You don't live here. You pay by night, correct?
Cash money every week.
So Deborah's requesting that you leave the property now. And she also wants you trespass from here, okay?
Can't do it. I've done nothing to...
Just let's confirm it with her.
No, you confirm it with the owner.
Are you Deborah?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My partner talked to you, but I want to get some information. So how long has this guy been here?
He's been here a while.
He was never provided a leasing agreement, or he was? Like, what's his status here?
When you come here, you can either pay us by the day or pay us by the week. So long as you're not causing a problem and you pay your rent on time, you don't trash the room, you can stay.
Okay, and when was the last time you guys requested payment and he didn't pay you guys?
It was due yesterday. He was out of his mind yesterday. I asked for it this morning. I said it was due yesterday. You need to pay it today.
What was the amount?
$5.95.
$5.95. Obviously, at this point, I think my partner said you wanted him trespass also?
Yes, please.
Thank you. Deborah, okay?
You haven't spoken to the owner, sir.
This is a hotel. You can either pay weekly or daily, all right?
I do.
You can't establish residency at a hotel, okay? She asked you for payment yesterday.
didn't.
You didn't provide
She
payment.
did not.
She asked you for payment today. You did not, okay?
Okay, how did you
So
do it?
at this point, you're being asked to leave the premises, okay?
He does the same thing.
So at this point, West Palm Beach police officer is asking you to grab your belongings
You're listening
and
to her
willingly
and taking it
leave
as true.
the property because she does not want you here.
Well, I'm not
Okay?
leaving. Go get the
So
handcuffs.
you have to leave.
Go get the handcuffs.
Okay.
You think this is funny? You like this? You guys play a homo?
Bravo 8, are you for 4?
You got a camera.
For 14 more units?
Okay. I'm passively resisting.
No, you just caught another charge, man.
You got the body cam on?
Oh, yeah.
Good.
My body camera asked you to leave.
And then I see you aggressively throw me on the ground after I had shown no signs of being aggressive.
And we're trying to place you under arrest and you pull away like that?
I didn't pull away.
That's called resisting.
I did not pull away.
Okay.
You approached me.
All right, ready? We're going to stand you up. 1, 2, 3.
I'm not influenced by your...
You made your decision. This is the outcome.
No, you're...
Do you have a specific pair of shoes or sandals or something? Okay.
No, I'm trying to get your shoes and shirt on. I want your sweaty stuff on it. Making my car stinking dirty.
If you guys hadn't attacked me, I wouldn't be so sweaty.
Okay.
I never made an aggressive move, other than challenging your intelligence. And that's probably the biggest offense that I ever made. I never challenged you physically. I challenged you mentally, and you can't handle the truth. You know, I know Kiefer Sutherland, his dad, Don, just died. No, but you used to search the thing for drugs and alcohol so you have some defense. Nice way to break.
You want to slip your shoes on?
And you look through my wallet to find any money? There was $500 in it. And it's gone when I come back. It must have been you.
Perfect. Everything's all on body camera.
Good. Okay, good. So it shows you breaking my civil rights. I'm searched without a warrant.
Good. They didn't search anything. You got your clothes.
You walked into my apartment without my approval. You removed me to the scene so you
It's
could...
not your apartment anymore.
I would paid for it.
You've been kicked
I got
out. You
50
didn't
bucks in
provide
the
payment.
deposit.
Get in the car.
I'm trying. I'm
Okay.
a little dizzy.
I'm not talking. Get in the car. I'm holding you.
Can you get the EMTs?
I'm holding you.
Can you get the EMTs? I'm a little dizzy. My heart's palpitating because I'm old.
Step this foot up first.
Okay, at least sit down so you can relax, and there's some AC in there. So turn to your hips and sit down first.
Did she tell you I had a
Gregory,
hydration attack yesterday?
Relax.
And that's
You're
why
all over the place.
I had a hydration attack
All right,
yesterday.
lean back.
It was hot.
Lean back. Lean back.
That's true. Oh, fine. Oh, it's crazy.
Right inside, all right?
Okay.
You do that?
Yep.
There you go. Place your foot inside, please.
Oh, it's okay. Thank you. Thanks, man. Okay. I appreciate it. Thank you. Now can we get the gun club? I won't move from the obvious part of until we get the gun club.
False alarm, if you can just do a welfare check again for the reception lobby front door.
The suspect was charged with trespassing along with resisting an officer.